Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. Had a few days off, much needed rest. And now we're back with Amazon Prime unboxing. Oh yes, Lemonade. Extra large stainless steel. Lemon presser. Lemon zester. When life gives you lemons, you throw them back. Lemon and orange presser. Zester combo set. We got the cheese grater, we got the cleaner, and there she is. Pretty cool name, Lemonade. Not the lemonade we drink, but it comes in aid to the lemons you want to squeeze. Packaged in the USA, made by PILOCH Distribution. Good stuff right here, guys. This would be a great little gift, housewarming gift, Christmas. Not a stocking stuffer, but, you know, small gift. And you can fill it up with some Amazon gift cards. You could get somebody. And take advantage of Amazon Prime's fast shipping. Get this in no time. Oh, we got some good stuff. We got the manual daily usage, cleaning and storage. Okay, we know how to clean. See if there's any pictures. Easy cleaning. Bada boom. What a sponge. Alright. Yeah, you don't want to, for the cheese grater, you don't want to hurt yourself cutting it or slicing. So here we go. We'll take a look at this. Ooh. Yeah, it's kind of sharp, so be careful. We got the cheese. It comes in a nice protective case. Here it comes. Yeah, see, that's why it has that case over it, because it is kind of sharp. So, ooh. Right there, look at those teeth marks. Ready to cheese up some cheese for Mr. Chisel. Mr. Chisel. How do I take this out? Oh, so, that was a little sharp. See what I mean? Oh, no, boo-boo. Oh, boy. Not honey boo-boo. We got some cheese. Ooh. And like I said, be really careful with this. This is really sharp. So definitely put that aside for now. And this must be the little cleaner to clean. Pretty cool. Little brush. Oh yeah. I'll rinse that before I use it. And then here is the main Mamma Jammer Lemonade presser. Orange juice presser. No more squeezing the juice. You get to press. Da, 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 da. Really easy to use. I got a lemon in the kitchen I'm going to squeeze out in a minute. We'll go in the kitchen. This is heavier, nicer. See, there's the inside. Got the holes right there where the juice comes out. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I'm going to rinse these off also. And then we're going to go in the kitchen. So hang tight, guys. We'll be right back, okay? Okay. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. We got the cheese cut open. We got the cheese grater. Got the bowl. Let's see if I can drop it down a little bit more for you guys. Yeah, let's see this in action. Like I said, it's going to be sharp, so be careful. Oh, yeah, there she goes. Oh, look at that. This would be great for salads. Tacos, pizza. See how stringy it is? And it's easy to clean. So that's why that brush is there. There's your string cheese you guys could have. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect cheese cut. Put this on your burger. That's crazy. A little bit dirty. I ain't no Gordon Ramsay, but this will do for now. Look at the cheese. Gotta love the cheese grater. So this is really cool. Just be careful. A little bit messy. It's alright. We can still clean up later. It'll be all good. So there's your stringy cheese. Ready to go on your salad, pizza. macaroni and cheese, even grilled cheese. Look at that. Like I said, really easy to clean. I'm going to put right in on BB-8. He's just chilling over there. So we got the cheese. We definitely got the cheese now. So, like I said, a little dirty, but a few second cleaning up, it'll be all good. But there's your cheese right there. So, hopefully you guys can see it. We got that mild cheddar. And now comes the squeezing the juice. Time to squeeze this lemon. Clean this up for a sec. Alright, got the lemon already cut. But it's a large one, so it could fit bigger size. Let's see. Got my shot glass. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice and easy. Oh yeah, this works. I usually do with the peels is thrown in the garbage disposal and use it to clean up a little bit. But look at that. It's like a hockey puck. Bada boom. And if you want to squeeze it a few more times, go ahead. Make sure you rinse it once you get these, just in case. So right there, that's a perfect circle. Or maybe you could grill these, I don't know. There's a seed right there, so be careful with the seeds. And make sure no pulp. And you could do oranges, probably limes too if you guys like that. There you go. Oh yeah, freshly squeezed. We got that lemonade. AID. There we go. You got the cheese grater at a low cost. It's a nice package deal. You got the little brush right there. Just gotta clean it up and you're all set. So YouTubers, check them out. Be a great gift for anyone. Be safe and have a nice weekend. See ya.